Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we're going to solve this question: square root of b over b equals to 2. In this question, we're going to solve this question by using two methods. The first method here, is this one. So we have to copy. We have square root of b over b equals to 2. Alright, so we know that this b, square root of b, will be b power 1 over 2 over b equals to 2. So we shall write b power 1 over 2 minus 1 equals to 2. So this will be b power negative 1 over 2, which equals to 2. And of course here we want to remove this negative 1 over 2 that we have right here. So we shall take this b power negative 1 over 2 times negative 2. And what you do on one side, you have to do it on another side. 2 power negative 2 at this stage. So we shall have b power negative 2 times negative 1 over 2, which equals to 2 power negative 2. So we have here, we have b power 2 over 2, which is equals to 2 power negative 2. So our b will be here 1 over 2 squared. b will be 1 over 4. So here, second method is this one. Here we have given square root of b over b, which equals to 2, and of course we shall use cross multiplication where we have square root of b, which is equal to 2b, right? So we have to square both sides to get what here? To get b, which equals to 4b squared, and you can write 4b squared, which equals to b, and of course 4b squared minus b will be 0. Factorize b out to get 4b minus 1, which equals to 0, and here b will be 0, or b here 4b minus 1 will be 0, 4b will be 1, plus b will be 1 over 4. But because you have given common denominator is b, so should not be equals to 0, right? Then you can check if the answer is correct, right? At this stage here, we have to check because we have given square root of b over b equals to 2. So we have to know that we have square root of here 1 over square root of 4 over 1 over 4 equals to 2. And of course this is 1 over 2 times 4 over 1, which is equals to 2. And have this one, this 2, which is equals to 2. So that our value of b is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.